In this video, I will show you how to download DeepSeek AI on your PC as an app. First, go to Google Chrome and search for DeepSeek AI. Then click on the first option. Click on Start Now and look for the three dots at the top right corner. Choose the Cast, Save and Share option. Then select Install Page as an app. A small menu will pop up. Feel free to rename the app as you see fit. Then click on Install DeepSeek. DeepSeek is now in a new open window as an app. It will also show up on your desktop with an app icon. You can now use this app to open DeepSeek AI instead of having to go through a browser on your computer. You can also pin it to the search bar so that you can directly open it. With this method, you can access DeepSeek AI instantly without going through a browser every time. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.